Hello everyone, today we are going to make a project which is delay circuit. The components required for this project are one BC547 transistor, one 10 microfarad capacitor, one push button, one 470 ohm resistor and one 47 kilo ohm resistor, one LED, one battery snapper and few connecting wires and a breadboard. First, place a push button on the breadboard. Place a BC547 transistor on the breadboard. Now connect a 47K resistor between the base of transistor and one of the terminal of push button. Connect a positive terminal of capacitor to the common point of push button and 47K resistor and negative terminal to the emitter of the transistor. Now connect one terminal of 470 ohm resistor to the another terminal of push button. Now take an LED. The longer terminal is positive terminal and the shorter terminal is the negative terminal. Connect the positive terminal of LED to the another terminal of 470 ohm resistor. Connect the negative terminal of LED to the collector terminal of transistor. Now let's connect a battery. Connect the positive terminal to the common point of push button and 470 ohm resistor and the negative terminal to the emitter of the transistor. The connections are done. When you press the push button, you can see the LED turns on and then it started dimming. So when you press the push button, the LED turns on, and when you release the push button, the LED stays on for some time and then it turns off. This is how you can make a simple delay circuit. Thank you.